On this channel, it seems a lot of us are obsessed with green and gold. But if you want to know what a beautiful kitchen that blue and gold make, just keep watching. Hello friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button to become part of our home decor family. So on this channel, we speak a lot about what a perfect and royal combination that green and gold is. But I was scrolling through some pictures, I totally forgot how gorgeous blue and gold is together. So let's get into some of the top most inspiring blue and gold kitchens that I could find for you. Don't forget to check the description box. I have a hand curated list of items that you can purchase to get the same vibe and feel for your home. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay friends, this is one of the most beautiful and intricate and detailed backsplashes I feel like that I have ever seen. This is absolutely gorgeous and probably absolutely expensive. Blue is the color of the sky and of the ocean, which is likely why there's something innately tranquil about the color blue, and why it's such a natural hue for the heart of the home, the kitchen. Navy cabinets feel sophisticated paired with marble counters or gold hardware, where periwinkle appliances have a more playful edge. In each of the kitchens that you see in this video, the shade is used in a really smart, innovative, and deeply comforting way. It's a blue mood, but in a really good way. Now, even though this video is not specifically about blue cabinetry, you will notice that a lot of the blue that is implemented in the various kitchens are in the form of cabinets. In my opinion, having blue cabinets is just so much more practical than white, even though white is an insanely popular cabinet color for the kitchen. Blue is a lot cleaner, or will look a lot cleaner, especially while you're cooking if anything drips, and depending on what type of paint you use, it can be a really easy cleanup. Another reoccurring theme that you will see is the color blue with marble. The two work together beautifully to create a one-of-a-kind designer kitchen. Now is a great time to remind you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below your favorite kitchen so I can see if we're thinking along the same. If you stick around until the end, you will see what my favorite kitchen was. Not gonna lie, I had to put this kitchen in again because I had to make sure that you see this. You guys, this backsplash is gorgeous. It looks Spanish or Mediterranean, but all I know is I need it in my kitchen. So my personal taste can be a bit busy and over the top sometimes, but I love this. From the vent hood to the stove to the cabinets to the overhead lighting, this room is just a vibe for me. So we have seen a lot of navy today, but I wanted to make sure you saw this kitchen as well. This is a really playful, gorgeous kind of powdered blue, and I think it gives the kitchen a really fun and playful look. So I know I asked you to comment down below your favorite kitchen so far. If you want to see mine, it is this right here. You guys, I just think this kitchen is gorgeous. It's bold, it's in your face, it's not too in your face. I love everything from the ceiling, light fixtures, all the way down to the floor. I just think this is a happy kitchen. Well, this was today's video, friends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this content with someone you think will enjoy it. Also, please, if you have a moment, give me some video ideas or ideas of things that you would like to see a video of. I will see you in tomorrow's video, friends. Bye-bye.